This is our first time in Hawaii or in Honolulu going to one of the most popular waterfalls. Oh my gosh, that tree is huge. Just absolutely amazed how big these trees are. It is so lush here.
Well, it's naturally grown.
It is a rather wet day for a hike, but the temperature feels pretty good.
I love the kind of
This is like being in a meditation video. The water, we are following it as we're getting closer to the waterfall, so we can hear it just bubbling over the brook over here to my right, and it's so lush and dense as we make it close to the waterfall. Reached a little bit of a steeper section. This is going to be our first Hawaii waterfall, and it was a really good waterfall. So we took a side trail just to go out and explore. Almost seems like it's the end of the day. It's so dark though. And with the difference of time change, it's the only way that you can get me to hike so early in the morning.
Yeah, really, it is our end of the day.
It's a 5-hour difference for us. So what is it right now, like 10 o'clock or so?
Yeah, so it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, which is, you know, an hour and a half from dark. So.
Normally we don't get up and have breakfast, and I was up at 6:30 in the morning to get breakfast. Had time to relax and then hit the trails.
And we were still here before 9.
Yeah, we were still here before 9 o'clock. This trail here is really gnarly though. Oh, that was you. I was like, oh my gosh, this is some... Bernie grabbed one of the trees. I thought it was like a monkey in the tree.
That would be so cool tonight.
Strange gate. Oh, it is muddy up here.
Yeah, definitely we'll be watching ready.
Okay, we only walked a short distance and it was so worth it. These trees are impressive. There's 2 more up here. So made this arch right here in the trees coming back down the branch. This trail is so wild. Now we're walking along where the roots are holding the mountain up, but then you have to climb over the roots and try not to slide. The trail is rutted out, muddy and wet, but it's not challenging. It's starting to rain a bit harder and we're pretty muddy now, and so we're gonna head back to the car. Definitely going to need a shoe wash.